Hey, welcome back, DMZ TV. My name is Dutch. And today we have a special guest, hip-hop artist all the way from New York,
Cristion. And today we're going to talk about hip-hop and hookah.
All right, guys, as you know, the show for today is called Hip Hop and Hookah. And we brought here Cristion. He's a big hookah smoker, so I met him on Instagram.
Yes.
And I see you smoke a lot of hookah.
Every day.
Yeah.
Every single day. I think I wake up in the morning after I brush my teeth and I just smoke.
Interesting. So instead of wake and bake, you wake and hookah.
And hookah.
Oh, that's interesting. Tell us a little bit about your music, about yourself.
Well, I originated in New York City. I'm Hispanic. I started smoking hookah I started doing music probably a couple of years back. I was very fortunate to catch the attention of a lot of the biggest artists, a lot of my peers, and from there it just kind of grew. And throughout the process, I would always smoke hookah.
Nice.
I would always smoke hookah. A lot of my videos contain hookahs in it, and I was just kind of like posting records and rapping, and I would be smoking, and people just kept saying like, "What is it you smoking? What is that?" And this is a couple of years back before it became a thing, because now it's a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Not everybody smokes, and then I kind of just grabbed the attention of people that did smoke hookah, and then my peers who liked the music, and from there it kind of just grew, and I caught a couple of good breaks. You can catch my last single was Petty, and then prior to that I had Cocaina with Fat Joe and De La Ghetto. But I've worked with every artist from French Montana to Young M.A. to everybody, and I wrote a lot of records for a lot of good people. So
that's good.
Fortunate, yeah,
That's
I'm
good.
very fortunate.
And I heard your stuff, and I was like amazed. You have a lot of talent. And,
Appreciate it.
I definitely thought, let me get him on the show, because like anyone that loves hookah,
Yeah,
I got to put in the show. So, tell me, what's your favorite flavors? What's your favorite brands that you smoke?
I mean, it depends.
Yeah.
It depends. Usually my favorite is always Blue Lychee by Dahlia. That's one of my favorites.
Nice.
Sir Bentley sent me some really, really amazing stuff.
Sure, really good
Yes,
stuff,
yeah, they sent me some great stuff. But it all depends. It depends on what I'm doing, where I'm at. Sometimes I want a harsher flavor, a little more bitter, and then some other days, I really want something sweet, especially if you have girls around and stuff like that. You don't want to smoke something too harsh.
Definitely, you gotta look out for the females. You gotta look out for the females. Now, what's your favorite hookah? I mean, what did you to-go hookah like?
Right now, my to-go is between La Orange and Maya.
Okay.
Those are my to-go, like
You mean Mia?
Mia. Yeah. Those are my to-go almost every day.
Yeah.
And then it depends. Again, it all varies. I have a lot of good ones. Right now I probably own like 30 something hookahs.
Diablo.
Yeah.
That's a lot of hookahs.
Like 30 something. Yeah. So, and then I have travel ones. So sometimes if I'm going state to state and I'm on tour, I'm doing shows. I have certain ones I take to a hotel that I know that I can smoke from.
Well, you're in the show, so
Okay.
we definitely got to put you to pack a bowl, because the audience wants to see you pack.
Pack a bowl.
Yes, pack a bowl. Come on, you ready for this?
I mean, yeah, let's go. Let's do it then.
I got a little surprise here.
He put me in the spot. You
So-
think he's slick? He put me in the spot.
So we're gonna have some little tobacco here. We got a bowl
okay.
here, and then of course here you can go ahead and pack. Let's check out your skills real quick.
What is this right here?
Well, it's a little surprise. You'll find out. I just want to see you pack it. So if you want, you can put it right there. So
Well, I'm already over here spilling stuff.
yeah.
Listen, I'm Dominican. I usually use my hands, but he got me doing this fancy bougie
If
stuff.
you want to, go ahead. Use
No,
it.
listen. We're gonna be polite and delicate today.
Yeah. I just want to see the technique that you use.
My technique is make sure it doesn't go in the middle, and like it is right now.
Okay.
So you know what I really like about your show?
What?
I learn every day.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I learn every day.
That's interesting. That's good.
I just subscribe. You should do so.
Nice. I see the technique there with the finger.
Yeah, make sure to go in the middle.
Look at that. Look
Yeah.
at that, guys.
Okay. And if somebody else packs it, nah, I'm good.
All right, so we're gonna just make sure this camera caught it. So you see this is a nice little pack. It's below the rim, that's good. So we just gotta heat up some coals. How about we go ahead and try this out?
Let's do it. Let's make
go.
it happen.
All right, so the coals are on top. I think the hookahs are ready. We've been waiting like about 6-7 minutes. Are you ready though?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
So let's see the clouds from this.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Nice. Let me see your clouds. Good. But
definitely.
So Chris,
It's awesome, man.
I was talking to Tyler last time on live, and I noticed that people were smoking without the hose handle, just straight from the hose. And then Tyler was like, "That's how we do," and I'm like, "Wait, that's how you guys do with just the hose itself?"
So yeah.
You seen that?
Yeah, I seen it.
I'm like, damn, that's some crazy stuff. So what do you think about the hookah?
I think the hookah's amazing.
It's nice and quiet.
It's nice and quiet. It's silent. It has a good pull.
That's one of my favorite hookahs. Let's try this one out, bro.
All right, try it. There you go.
Let me get this one around here before I end up pulling the table.
Definitely good.
It's good, huh? It's nice little flavor. And the thing about it is that we use these little balls here. I don't know if you can see that. I've done a video about it, but
okay.
You saw how small they were.
Well, yeah, so they were little.
Yeah, and then it's just something for entertainment. Once you put a light in the bottom, it looks even cooler.
It looks cool. It looks really cool.
So I heard you put coloring in your...
Yeah, I put food dye.
Food dye.
Food dye on it.
Hey, whatever.
Yeah, I mean, you're fancy. You got the fork and stuff.
We did some funny stuff. We did liqueur. So liqueur has a very low content of alcohol. It has about 15%.
Okay.
As long as you go 15% and below, you're good. Anytime you go high, you're gonna end up fucking.
You're gonna end up drunk and shit.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Okay.
So, anyways, any cool, funny stories you have about hookah? Because I know you smoke.
Besides, I almost burned down my car 3 times smoking in the car.
Smoking in the car?
Yeah. So then I had to build a contraption in order to keep it in the car. But now I smoke every day in my car.
Bro, you special. I mean, he takes it all the way to the car. I mean, I wait home till I get to smoke. This guy doesn't even want to wait.
No, we don't wait. Actually, my friend Zilla, he owns a McLaren, and that's what we smoking in that shit.
Fancy.
Yeah. No, but those are that's what it is. It became so much of a lifestyle that we'll go lunch breaks, we'll go to meetings. I've done shows. I've taken my hookah to the clubs where they don't allow hookahs. Like, I've done all that crazy stuff, but I've cooked on it. Me and Tyler went to war. I don't know if you saw the war we were going on.
With the werewolves.
Yeah, he ended up doing eggs. I did lasagna, and then I was gonna get him back, but I got you, Tyler. I got you.
We have to get Tyler in the show one of these days. But anyways, let's see one more cloud.
Okay, let's do it.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, something different that we're trying to do here, bringing celebrities in our show and smoking hookah. But Chris, I'm really happy you made it out here.
I appreciate you for the invite.
Yeah, I've seen your videos, I've seen your content. You do amazing content.
Thank you.
Yeah, you want to give a shout out to anyone or anything?
I want to shout out to all the hookah smokers. Smoke, enjoy, have fun. It's a lifestyle.
Definitely. Thanks for coming, bro.
No problem.
I appreciate it. Now, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little quick video of hookah and hip hop, or hip hop and hookah. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit that like button.
Subscribe. Don't forget that. You need that.
Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell on the top so you'll be notified for any new videos are coming out in the future. So, my name is Dutch.
Cristion Dior.
Until the next time, we are...
Yeah. Mala, tira ese culón, yo vine y frené